CJ.
Hello, Nate.
It's almost Thanksgiving.
Yes, sir, it is.
It almost is the day of giving thanks.
Thank ya.
Seems Thanksgiving Day is upon us. I haven't even finished eating all my Halloween candy.
I am a big fan of cooking quickly for most things on Thanksgiving, except for obviously the turkey and some of the things that take a much longer time in your smoker, in your oven, however you like to do things at home. But side dishes are a really fantastic place to elevate your flavor game this Thanksgiving. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make some pancetta green beans with shiitake mushrooms and garlic and cranberries. Unbelievable, super quick, which means more time hanging out with the family, less time cooking.
You could have saved more time by getting rid of the mushrooms, but whatever.
I have never,
well, get used
in
to
all
it.
of my 23 years.
Shiitakes are loaded with flavor, and this dish is gonna be awesome because of it. Two of them.
Two dinger.
One more.
Oh, okay.
Bell on a bite, am I right?
Am I right? Am I right?
I stole your line.
Yeah, you did.
We're gonna start with some pancetta. Now, CJ, we've talked about this in the past. Pancetta is a bit more flavorful.
Yes,
Flavorful.
Yes, sir, it
than
is.
bacon, but we're gonna reduce. I don't. Can we?
Should we just start over again? Do you need? Bro,
Red
it's
head.
the bees.
Wow! Can you hear him in the microphone?
Yeah.
Dude, there's like 3 on you.
Yeah, I know.
Bees! Bees! Bees in the car! Bees everywhere!
The first thing we're gonna do is get to our pancetta. This is kind of like uncured bacon. We're gonna render that out nice and slowly. We basically want really crispy nuggets of deliciousness. It's the actual
That's a
term
terminology.
for it.
Okay.
All right, then we're gonna get to our green beans. Now today I'm using some French beans. We want to cut the little ends that have the root off. Just makes for a better presentation. You can't really eat them. So we're gonna toss all of those into a bowl for later, and let's get to our garlic. Now I'm gonna do thin, beautiful slices. Let's get back to our pancetta. Once it's crispy, we're gonna remove it from the griddle, but save all of that stunning pancetta fat. That's what we need. That's what we need. Now we're gonna throw down our shiitake mushrooms. We're gonna add just a bit of salt and pepper and some unsalted butter because only maniacs use salted butter.
Yeah, but only idiots
Let me know
use
in the
mushrooms.
comments.
Let me know in the
Unsalted
comments.
butter. Let that cook for just a few minutes. Then we're gonna get to our green beans. Now these green beans are nice and prepped, ready to go. Throw them over the top and add a little bit more butter because it's Thanksgiving. We just need butter.
Okay.
Bring on the butter.
Butter.
We're gonna add some salt and pepper and toss that together. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes or so. Now we're gonna add our garlic. We don't wanna add it too soon because it will burn. We're also gonna add some dried cranberry or craisins and our pancetta also at the end because we don't want them to burn. I mean, there's a good bit of sugar in those craisins and in the garlic, so add them at the end.
Okay.
You know.
Obviously.
Obviously. The last thing we need to do is add just a bit of water. This is gonna steam our green beans so they get nice and tender. This isn't gonna take long. We don't wanna overcook them. A mushy green bean is no fun for anyone. I'm gonna add just a bit of lemon juice. We want some acidity and a little bit of sweetness. You're not really gonna taste the lemon, but it's gonna brighten up the flavors of everything. Now today I am serving this family style. It is after all Thanksgiving, so let's serve it up family style, CJ.
Makes sense to me.
So we're gonna toss all of that down. We've got amazing colors, amazing textures. All of those flavors coming together really are kind of wonderful. You've got this umami, savory flavor from the shiitakes. The salt and pepper gives us that saltiness, but then the sweetness from those cranberries, next level, buddy.
Okay.
Next level. So this Thanksgiving, I hope you guys are having fun. Don't spend too much time cooking. Spend all that time you can with your family.
And
Happy
ring a bell every
Thanksgiving.
now and then, right?
Yeah, every now and then. Ring a bell. Happy Thanksgiving to you, to CJ. Be sure to check out Desiree's show. Check out Todd's show. Check out CJ's first cooking show. It's lovely.
It's lovely.
And I'm thankful for you.
Aww.
And I'm thankful for all of you guys. Leave us a comment down below of what you would like to see in the future. I'm Chef Nathan Lippy. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat, helping you become a better cook.
One
recipe at a time.
At a time.
See you guys in the next video.